On 14th August 1947, the map of the world changed. Pakistan emerged as a sovereign nation, a homeland won through vision, struggle, and sacrifice.
Train crossed the plains, some carrying hope, some loss. Independence was born in refugee camps, in railway stations, in the determination of the people who started from nothing.
There was no ready-made capital, no central bank, barely an army.
Yet there was an unshakable belief that this was worth building.
From the speeches of Quaid-e-Azam to the prayers of those who migrated, Pakistan's creation was an act of will.
A choice to live free, to protect identity, to chart our own course.
Independence is not a static achievement. It's not just celebrated once a year.
It's a living responsibility renewed in how we treat each other, safeguard our future, and keep faith with the promise that gave birth to this country.
बेकरां बरसों की महकूमी के बाद, बेनवा सदियों की महरूमी के बाद, साफ दिल तारीख के औराक पर खून से लिखा गया 14 अगस्त. Today, once we raise our flag, we have to remember that Pakistan was not just handed over to us. We earned it with sacrifice and blood. And we have to preserve this independence with unity, hard work, and perseverance. We have to keep the spirit of Pakistan and 1947 alive.
Pakistan Zindabad.